Soft sound of you around echoes where you once were found. Breath fades into the ground. Nothing makes a sound. Soft sound of you around, holding tight to what I found. You slipped and fell down hard, cracking something in your heart. It pulls, it twists inside, bends the shape of fate and time, turns every second into bait, leaves me here to hesitate. Still waiting for a sign, something real, something alive. Hearing things I don't want true. They say you won't make it through. I hold tight, I play my part. Fake a smile, hide the dark. Soft sound of you around, slipping slowly to the ground. Tears fall heavy in the dark. I hate living through this part. Life's not fair, it never cares. Leaves me gasping, unaware. Soft sound of you around, holding tight to what I found. Soft sound, don't fade out. Don't let silence take you now. When you're gone, I carry on, even though it feels so wrong. Every step I take alone echoes through a hollow home. Love stays even when you're gone, burns in me, it carries on. Say your name into the blue, like somehow it reaches you. Still searching through the noise for your breath, for your voice. Every whisper cuts me through, like I'm losing parts of you. Soft sound of you around, slipping deeper underground. Tears fall steady, cold and sharp, leaving fractures through my heart. Life's not fair, it never cares. Leaves me drowning in the air. Soft sound of you around, holding tight to what I found. Soft sound, still I drown. Still I feel you breaking down. Time rewinds inside my head. Every word never said, every moment, every breath, now just shadows dressed in death. If I could trade my breath for yours, break the lock behind that door, I would fall 1,000 times just to turn back all this time. Soft sound, stay with me. Don't become a memory. Still waiting in the dark for a beat, for a spark, but the silence answers me with a cold finality. Soft sound of you around, now it's barely even sound. Tears fall but they feel numb, like I'm already undone. Life moves on, it always will, but this echo haunts me still. Soft sound of you around, now just lost, never found. Soft sound, gone away, nothing left for me to say. Soft sound heard nevermore. You passed through that open door. I'm still standing where you fell, listening to empty shells. Soft sound, fading slow. Only thing I